You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this vowel in English, modern English. The letter A has different pronunciations, and if you want to learn more pronunciations and more symbols from phonetics, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more for you at the end of this one. This is the long vowel, so an elongated version of the sound ah, right? So it's the sound ah from the letter A, which you'll find in bat, a vat, a hat, ah. This is what it represents, ah. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.